Have you ever seen the Pascal's Triangle? It starts with a 1 there, and we have a 1 on each side, and each time you'll notice there's a 1 on the outside, but then we add the middle. So we would have that, and we would then have a 1 on both sides again. Again, we're adding the middle here, and we would add these two and we get a 3. And then we're going to do it a third, or another time. So that'd be 4, and that would be 6. And that would be 4. And you can keep going, and this goes on for a very long time. But I bet you wondered why you ever needed to know this. Well, let's take something like x plus y to the 4th power. Now, you might have to work a lot on to do this. You'd have to FOIL out x plus y, and then you'd have to FOIL it out again and again. So you'd have to do it 4 times. But as mathematicians, we like to do things and shorten things and make it easier for us. We see patterns in everything. So if you think about it, this would be to the square, this would be to the 3rd, and this would actually be to the 4th. And how that works is you have x to the 4th, okay, and there's my 1, by the way, that's my coefficient, and I'm going to write it way over here, and that's going to be y to the 4th, and that would be my other coefficient. And I'm then going to put plus, and then I have this 4 here. I'm going to leave a gap because there's stuff in between. And then I have this plus, and I'm going to put my 6, my other coefficient. Again, I'm going to leave a gap. And then I'm going to put a plus, and I'm going to put my 4, and then I'm going to put a plus way down here. And this is how it works. So we have x to the 4th, and then we're going to write x to the 3rd. And we're going to write x squared. And we're going to write x, and theoretically we have x to the 0, but that's just 1, so why bother writing it? So now we go the other direction with y. Now we have y to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, and y. And again, we would have y to the 0, but again, why would we write that? So here, by the way, is this to the 4th power. Isn't that cool?